Hey everyone, it's Jennifer Chan with Beauty Care Choices, and I want you to meet our 100% biodegradable packing poofs. So every time you place an order, your package comes in boxes and they're packed with these packing poofs, which are totally eco-friendly. We're all about making beauty choices that are also green, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys just how they dissolve in water. So with your packing poofs, you can simply dissolve them in water, which I'm doing right here. You can see them actually just really getting smaller and smaller and turning into little tiny poofs. So you can either wash them down the sink, you could also actually eat them, but that's totally up to you. So you just squish them around and they turn into literally nothing, which is amazing for the environment and also a lot less mess for you. Beauty Care Choices is devoted to making green and clean beauty more accessible to you. Head to beautycarechoices.com, click on the Clean Salon tab, and shop biodegradable, organic, sulfate-free, paraben-free, vegan, and cruelty-free products all in one place. Happy shopping.